concatenate, whose symbol is two vertical bars found on the keyboard above the backslash, or how can I attach values? Two alphanumeric character values or strings can be attached together or concatenated to form one value or a single string. We do this by using the concatenation symbol, which is two keystrokes of the vertical bar character. This character is found on the keyboard above the backslash. In this example, concat and ination are attached, forming the word concatenation. Please pause this presentation to study the many details, and in a second we will show you an example. And here is another example. We are selecting state and country as a concatenated value from the vendor table. Normally defined character values are padded with spaces to the length of the column definition. The concatenation of multiple character columns does not add or eliminate trailing spaces. In this example, state is defined as 3 characters and country is defined as 5 characters. So the concatenated string length is 3 plus 5, or 8 characters in length. If the column is defined as variable, or varchar, then the length is determined by the inserted value, which may or may not include leading or trailing spaces. Please pause this presentation to study the details. We hope you found this information useful. Please come visit us at computerbasedtraininginc.com for courses with more examples and labs where you create and execute complete commands.